Herbs and spices are nature's most potent forms of medicine. They are antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. Plus, they make your food go from bland to wow.
Some of our favorites are coriander, garlic, cumin, ginger, and turmeric. We're going to show you how to make your own curry paste from scratch that uses so many of these helpful herbs. You can even freeze the paste to keep it handy for future dishes. Thai basil leaves are hard to find. You can always use just regular basil for this recipe. We love to use the paste to make a quick and easy curry. It's a perfect match for cauliflower, salmon, and even chicken.
For more great recipes featuring anti-inflammatory herbs and spices, join our new 28-day Real Food Reboot Challenge.